because we have universal key in our greetings. Sometimes we say habari za saizi, that unlimitation. It's option to say mambo, like hi. It's option to say habari ya saizi, how are you, how do you feel. It's option to summarize, for to say habari. The option to summarize, for to say za saizi, or the universal key. You can use this habari anytime, a limitation. Za saizi, anytime. You are perfect. Habari ya saizi, to combine all together. Habari za saizi, habari za saizi. You can use that. You are perfect. You don't do mistake. That is our greetings. Every day we are using that greetings in real Swahili from Tanzania, in anywhere, wherever you go, in the office, in the street, anywhere, we use that greetings. So if you have any question, tell me. Don't forget, my friend, if you are a real friend, don't forget to tell me you watch this video clip from which country. Don't forget to subscribe this channel, Learn Swahili with Elisha Nyange, in order to get more information. Then don't forget to follow in our social media, TikTok and Instagram, Replay account. If you want to chat direct with me in Swahili, use this number. You can find me in WhatsApp. Get conversation direct with me. If you call me direct, if you call me in WhatsApp, we will speak together in Swahili. So I think you enjoy yourself. Let me say goodbye. In English, you say goodbye. In Swahili, we say kwaheri. Say kwaheri.